What's up guys? Today to share with you I have something special for the car owners. Cars with no LCD screens, or they have LCD screens but they are not smart LCD screens, and by smart I means they don't have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So they don't connect with your mobile phone, they are just dumb touch screens. So those kind of screens. So if you have those kind of screens, or if your car does not have a screen, then I have something special to share with you. This is a smart screen that works with a wide variety of vehicles, from 7 volt to 32 volts. It can take input from all those vehicles. It can be installed on any car, and it is a smart screen. It has Android Auto, it has Apple CarPlay. You can use it as a big screen as well, like you can mirror or Airplay video from your iOS device, or you can cast from your Android device to this screen. You can use Bluetooth to stream your music from your phone to this screen. So overall it has a bunch of features. It's very cost effective. It is around $80. It is made by PODOFO. PODOFO ship internationally, free shipping internationally, so they ship it internationally to any country, and their shipping is free. No matter where you are in the world, you can order this one. So let me show you what's inside it, and then I will go through its features one by one. So we have this LCD screen, 7-inch LCD screen. Let me peel off the paper. Here we are. 7-inch LCD screen with a cover to avoid direct sunlight. This is the universal mount that you will be able to put on your car. So there are two types of mounts. This is a suction mount. You will just put it on your car, like press it like this, and it will stick to your car. This is 3-meter aux cable. So we have a cigarette lighter with type C. We have some double tapes. When it comes to ports, we have aux input here, SD card will go here. This is its power input, I think, type C. Headphone jack port as well. So headphone jack, aux, SD card, type C for power. We have a power button right here. Here is how you are going to assemble it. So we have two stands. We have one LCD screen with nothing in the back. This one is if you want to put the screen on the dashboard, and this base is when you want to attach it to your windshield, the front windshield of your car. You press this button, it will be stuck to your windshield. Find these holes, these ones, put them, align them here, okay, from the top as well, and then press. That's it. This part you will install this double tape. You install it here and put it here. That's how you are going to install. You can adjust the angle however you like, left, right, up, down. If you want to attach it to the other base, this will easily come out. Just take it and push it, okay, and you can easily install it here. Push it. Now take this screen, align the slots. We have this alignment, and then on the top, and there you go. Now you have the windshield. Whenever you need to remove them, just take this, push it, and you're done. Now that we have it out of the box, let me show you. I have turned it on with a type C from my power bank, so nothing fancy here. It takes very minimal power, so you can even use it as a portable screen from your power bank. It is a 7-inch screen, even though it is an HD display. So when you look at the screen, it looks really good. On the screen, you can see that we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Airplay, Android Cast, Media Player, and Audio. Once you have it installed in your car, and first time once you have paired it with your iPhone or Android phone through the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay menu, the next time the phone comes closer to this device and it turns on, it will automatically pair in the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto mode. So the pairing is seamless once it has been paired for the first time. So as soon as you will sit in your car and turn on your car, this screen will turn itself on, and it will go into Android Auto or Apple CarPlay mode, whatever device you are using. It can switch into both. And inside Apple CarPlay, you will have maps, messages, all those options that are inside your phone becomes available in this big screen. Same is for Android. Phone remains where it is, and all those options, the important ones for calling and reading messages and other important applications, they become available on this screen.
What do you want to say to Google? Jazz said 6,004 GMB serve 1 paise me. AAJ 551 million, or pain 60 din K Lay 6,004 GMBs, 3,000 MB WhatsApp, 3,000. That's everything.
If you're traveling with your kids or you're resting and you want to watch something, then you can use your device to actually mirror YouTube or whatever media consumption app you're using. You can cast that to this big screen and watch it here. So you can cast it from your Android device, or in terms of iOS, it's called Airplay. So you can also do Airplay to watch movies and media on this big 7-inch screen instead of your smaller mobile screen. If you just want to hear music and you're not interested in Android Auto or Apple Carplay or casting your screen to this screen, then you can do that as well. Just connect with the Bluetooth with your mobile device and play the music, and it will play here. Now, to take advantage, like this screen has a built-in speaker, but that speaker is a tiny one. So how do you take advantage of your car's built-in speakers? So there are different options. If you go to the audio output options, you see 4 options here. One is speaker, one is CarPlay Auto, the other one is FM and aux. All these options give you instructions on how to use it, but I would recommend the aux one. That is the best one, because you connect the aux cable to this screen and then connect the other end of the aux cable to your car's aux input, and you're good to go. So this was our PODOFO's smart screen for your cars. Portable, can be installed in any car, works with 7 to 32 volts car, and has an Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Google Cast, and Apple Airplay. All those built in, Bluetooth music playback, all those things are built in, and works with this tiny little USB Type-C port, and can be installed on any car. Like, it's a portable installation method. So overall, I would definitely recommend for people who don't have a LCD screen in their car and are looking for one, or people who have an LCD screen but they are looking for a smart LCD screen. So they have other versions as well. You can buy a larger 10-inch screen, or you can buy a specific LCD screen for your exact car's model, that are also available. And so there is a wide variety that is available at PODOFO. I will leave the link to buy this one in my video description for anyone interested. Let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.